Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're going to talk about a couple more u substitution problems. These ones are specifically ones that we couldn't do before, but now we can because of u substitution. So the first one we're going to look at is the integral of tangent. Instead of looking at it as the integral of tangent, we're going to actually look at this as the integral of sine over cosine. So what we're going to do is we are going to make u be the thing in the denominator. And the reason why I want to do that is because when we have a variable in the denominator, when it's to the first power, it's really easy. It's not a big deal because it's going to be natural log. So when I see something like that, I can kind of decide that I want u to be in the denominator. So the derivative of u du is equal to negative sine dx. And we have everything there except for the negative. So I'm going to move the negative over. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and plug these in. So we have the integral of u on the bottom. We have negative or negative 1 du. And if I integrate that, we have negative times the natural log of the absolute value of u plus c. And then we plug our u back in. So negative natural log absolute value u is cosine of x plus c. So when we have a problem like this, it takes a little bit more to look at what we have, but it's not super bad once you kind of know what to do. When we look at cotangent, it's going to be pretty much the exact same thing. The big difference is we're going to be looking at cosine over sine instead of sine over cosine. So we have the integral of cosine of x divided by sine of x. And then it's going to be the exact same thing. We're going to go ahead and switch our u to be sine this time. So u is equal to sine of x. So du is equal to cosine of x dx. This time we have it as a straight substitution. So we have the integral of u, and we have 1 over du. So 1 over u du, which we know is the natural log absolute value of u plus c, and then we're going to change out u for sine. So these are ones that when we integrate it, we have kind of two options. You either know the integral, or we are going to go ahead and just change it to that other version, tangent or cotangent, and call it good.